Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got huge news. Valve just dropped a power trio, the Steam Machine, a revamped Steam controller, and a VR headset called the Steam Frame, launching early 2026, and honestly, this could supercharge PC gaming in the living room, on your desk, and in VR. Let's dive in. Valve is stepping back into the living room in a big way. Reports from Polygon and VGC confirm 3 fresh devices: the Steam Machine, an elegant console PC for your TV, the new Steam controller, precision plus comfort, and the Steam Frame, wireless VR built for buttery streaming and quick pick-up play, shipping to the US, Canada, UK, EU, Australia, with Komodo handling Asia. Target window, early 2026. Exact date after the new year. It's happening. First up, Steam Machine, Valve's bold take on a living room gaming PC. Picture a sleek cube running Steam OS. Sign in and your whole library appears ready to go. Under the hood, a semi-custom AMD Zen 4 6-core CPU up to 4.8 GHz, and a custom RDNA 3 GPU with 28 compute units. 16GB by DDR5 plus 8GB by GDDR6. VRAM keeps frames smooth. Storage? 512GB or 2TB SSD plus a high-speed microSD slot. Small box, big punch. VGC says this 6-inch cube packs over 6 times the Steam Deck's horsepower. Now, connectivity is stacked. Display port 1.4, HDMI 2.0, 4 USB-A, 1 USB-C, Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E, and then a built-in PSU. Valve targets 4K 60 with FSR and ray tracing support. The Steam Machine verified program helps you know performance at a glance, and because it's Steam OS, you can tinker, apps, even another OS if you want, flexible and fierce. Next, the Steam controller, Valve's comeback gamepad, and it looks legit. Deck-inspired layout, dual sticks down low, 2 big trackpads for laser-precise control, and 4 programmable back grip buttons. Day 1, community configs for thousands of games, plus your own custom layouts to share. VGC notes magnetic TMR sticks, capacitive touch for motion, and grip sense, squeeze to enable gyro aiming. The included puck receiver is a charger and low-latency 2.4 GHz hub. It pairs with Steam Machine, a dock deck Steam Frame, or anything running Steam or Steam Link. Versatile, pro, and ready to click. Now the showstopper, Steam Frame. Valve's going standalone VR with a streaming-first mindset. Inside, Snapdragon power with 16GB LPDDR5X unified RAM, comfortable, wireless, lightweight. It streams VR and flat games from your PC or Steam Machine and also runs lighter titles natively. Storage options, 256GB or 1TB UFS plus microSD. Pancake optics, 2160 by 2160 per eye, and refresh from 72 to 144 Hz. That's crisp, fast, and travel-friendly. Valve's spec sheet highlights foveated streaming, eye tracking that pushes maximum detail exactly where you're looking. Core unit around 185 grams, about 440 with the head strap, so sessions stay comfy. Dual Wi-Fi radios separate streaming from everything else, with an optional 6 GHz adapter for ultra-low latency. A Steam Frame verified program will flag what runs natively. Bottom line, seamless VR and couch-scale streaming that feels console simple. Why the hype? Because Valve's building a connected lineup: Steam Deck for portable, Steam Machine for the living room, Steam Frame for VR and streaming, and the new Steam controller tying it all together. Early 2026 is stacked, and pricing is the final mystery. With deck lessons learned and stronger hardware, this could be the moment PC-console hybrids finally click. Drop your pick, machine, frame, or controller in the comments, and smash like and subscribe so you don't miss the next update.